Hey guys, just a short video on brake lines today. So I know guys that threw out entire cars just because it needed brake lines. Oh, I hate brake lines. I'm scared of brake lines. Well, it's not that complicated. Let me show you how to change your brake lines really quick. Okay, so obviously the first thing you have to do is you have to get the car nice and high. Be safe, don't have a car fall on you. I always put like tires with boards and double jack stands. It's not that complicated, guys. And then what you have to do is you have to remove your brake lines, like your old rusted ones. Nothing really to it. If it breaks anywhere, just label it. Like label everything, like what goes where. So once you pull them off, you know what goes where. You're not gonna like forget what goes where. So like in my case, I'm replacing the rear ones. So that's the rear left tire. That's the rear right tire, right where they get through that little hole in the frame there. I cut them because it was hard to get them out. And then, so I got two sections there. I labeled everything. And then from that, all the way to each back wheel, see, all I did is I took everything out and you just lay it on the ground like this, guys. Pretty straightforward, right? So now what you do is you get some string and you grab your string and you just run it alongside, see, like this. Really nothing to it, right? Run it along the exact same way, see? And very quickly, you can figure out exactly what length of brake lines you need. So I got two strings, see, there's one. That one ended up being 14 feet. This one ended up being 8 feet, right? And I mean, all I did is I went to Napa, I brought my two strings and a measuring tape, and then all I had to bring is this with me, just the end pieces. You know, you cut them off or they break off as you're taking them off, and they will match you up and give you the right hoses. Now check out the hoses, guys. So they come in many lengths, you know, 3 feet, 2 feet, 4 feet. And it's actually easier to install these when they're in sections like this, instead of just trying to install this super long line. Good luck with that. This way you can install a section, see, and they come with these, and you can screw them together. Like this is a separate thing that they sell. See what I mean? Like these golden things. And you can connect one brake line to the other brake line to extend them. So they basically set me up. I got enough for, you know, a 12-foot length and an 8-foot length, just like that, guys. And all of that cost me only $42, guys. Like it was pretty simple, guys. So all I'm gonna do now is basically just run those lines, you know, from front to back, put everything nice and tight, bleed my brakes when I'm done, and that is it, guys. So even if you sit there for 3 hours and do that, it's totally worth doing it, guys. That's it for this video. I just wanted to let you guys know it's not that complicated to switch these out. I'm sick of guys scrapping entire cars here in Canada just because of brake lines, and the shops charge, you know, like $1,000 to change them. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helped you out. And check out this whole series on the restoration of this Volkswagen MK1, guys. Thanks for watching.